This is a simple CV builder or resume builder website, and if I show you the traffic of this website, you will be shocked. This website is organically getting 2 million of organic traffic, which is the value of $550,000. It means this is a huge amount of traffic that this website is getting, and the most of traffic is coming from India, so you can reduce this amount. Okay, so this is an estimated amount. Okay, so here is the United States and then United Kingdom. It means the traffic value is huge because the United States is getting 14% of the traffic. So how you can create this kind of amazing website without writing a single line of code, I will guide you in this video step by step. So you need to watch this full video and I will guide you how you can create this kind of an amazing website where users can create CV online and then they can download easily and modify. So this kind of CV builder you can easily create for you. So let me get started. As a very first step, as you know in my other videos, I also use the lovable tab because this is free of cost and the 5 credit it gives you for free for 1 day, and in the next day you can also use the 5 credits. So each day it gives you the 5 credits. So this is free of course. You can also use the Replit, ChatGPT or any other platform that you prefer, but I go with the lovable and I will give you the step-by-step guide. So in the lovable, you just need to paste this prompt. This prompt is also provided into the description. You can just copy and paste this prompt here and it will generate an amazing website for you. This is a complete prompt I have given to the lovable. This prompt you can easily download, copy and paste here from my description. So I will not waste your time and I will just hit enter, and within few seconds or within few minutes our website will be live and we can test it. So let me hit enter. Now within a few minutes of process, our basic website is ready. Keep in mind this is a basic one. You can modify our website by giving more prompts. So now this is the version which is basic. So I will just click here to publish this website. So here I say free AI CV. Okay, and I just click on yes button. So this free AI CV is .lovable.app. So I just click on continue, click on continue and click on continue. Keep in mind you can also add your custom domain here. So for now we don't need to have a custom domain because this is just for sample for you. So here I just click on publish. It means this website is published. Now our website is live. So let me test it. Just copy the URL and I will open it into the new browser, and here we are testing the website that this lovable have made for us. And here you can see this is a simple. I just tell you in the start this will be a simple one, so then you can add the modifications, more templates into this. So here is the build my resume, for example. So I just click on build my resume, and here is the sample information. You can update with your own information. For now this is sample information. So here you can see this is the description summary. You can also write with AI. You just need to click here, it will write the summary for you. You can see this also automatically write the summary for you. So here you can see this is the template, and here the other information you can see. You can also add the more information or remove. This is pretty good. Okay, so in the right sidebar you can see your CV is building within a basic template. So here if you done your changes here on the left sidebar, you can just simply download your CV into the PDF format. But now you can see could not generate PDF. So let me see what the issue is. So I just copy this error and here I just go back and paste here, and I will tell this while. So I just telling the AI or lovable that this error is showing while downloading the PDF resume. So I just enter here, so it will remove the error and then we will be able to download the PDF file. Now it's saying that this has been fixed. So after giving any prompt, you just need to click on update, because without clicking on update, you will not be able, to update the changes that you have made on your website. So this is updating. Now this has been updated, so I will refresh this builder. Now again, I will try to download, because I have already told you about this left sidebar information. So I just click on download and it's generating. Yes, this is PDF, has been downloaded. And if you review the PDF, you can see this has been downloaded as the CV below. As I should tell you, this will be a simple one. You can also add more designs and templates, and then you can be select the templates on the right sidebar. So you can do this modification by yourself. You can just write here, hi, please add more templates. I mean, user can select the template before generating the CV. So you can just simply write here, and it will give you an option to get the designs and some templates. So this video will be too long, so if I add this functionality, but you understand how you can add some more features. So this is how you can simply create a CV builder website without coding, without hiring a team of coders, without investing your money. You just need to simply create with Lovable, Replit, or any platform that you are using, and it will generate an amazing functional website for you. So now the thing is how you can index into your into Google, and how you can add AdSense and so on. So this is very simple. I have already created the videos. I have attached into the description. You can just go and watch, and then you will be able to create or index this kind of website into the Google. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For more information, you can just comment below. Thank you so much. And if you need this kind of CV builder website for you, you can just inbox me. I can generate or create for you, and this will be paid. Thank you so much.